Hello everyone, welcome back to Yellow, and I say that because if you guys have seen my last video, I was also wearing the same thing, and that is because I'm filming both of these on the same day, which reminds me, if you haven't checked out my last video, you should totally check it out. I'll try and leave a link to it up there, up here, and then as well as in the description box down below. It's a Louis Vuitton unboxing. It's an SLG. So make sure you check it out. Let me know what you think. But in today's video, I want to talk about my recent Michael Kors tote. And mainly because I think now a lot of people are starting to go back to work. And when I say go back to work, as in like going to the offices and stuff like that, summer is coming. So everyone is, I think, starting to travel, and you can always use a good tote, a good Michael Kors tote. We know like Michael Kors, I feel like, is really good with their organization and stuff like that. They have a really good leather. They have good prices too. I think that's really important. They have sales coming and going all the time. So if you have a bag in your mind that you want to get, you can certainly wait for a good price to pop up. And then yeah, so all in all, is I just love Michael Kors. I think I've told you guys several times, but I want to take the time to review this particular bag because, like I said, it's a good tote and I've been really loving it so far that I've been using it. It's very comfortable, and I just want to kind of show you around inside. It's gonna be a quick video. That's what it looks like on the inside. I have it stuffed up. I keep all my bags stuffed up. Okay, so here we are on the inside. That's what it looks like. There's one zippered pocket on this side, and then there's two slip pockets on this side. And you can tell that I have not taken out the tag yet, and that is because I feel like if I take the tag out and if I throw it out, I forget the exact name of the bag, and then it's hard for me to like find it online if I want to link it, or a few months down the road if I want to like reference to it, then I just kind of forget what the name is. And then obviously I can find out the name by like going back and into my own videos from previous, or like just Googling and stuff like that, but I feel like sometimes I'm not always able to find it. But anyways, and also the tag is on the inside, so it doesn't really bother me. Sometimes I kind of stick it inside the zipper pocket. And speaking of the tag, I'm going to show it to you so you guys can look it up and see the bag if you want to purchase it. So here is the tag. I think it says Jet Set Tote on it. Yeah, it says Jet Set Tote in black. You can take a screenshot and look for it later if you want to. But this is a huge bag. I mean, it does fit 15-inch laptop. I think sideways it is more than 15-inch. I actually cannot remember the exact measurements of this bag, but I will try and leave it either on the screen here or in the description box down below. But this is a big bag. It fits my 15-inch work laptop. In fact, that is why I got this bag, because I wanted to be able to have a bag that can fit a 15-inch laptop. And yes, I mean, I bought it just to fit my laptop, but it's also good to have a big tote in your collection in case you ever have like more things to carry, because my never full certainly did not fit my 15-inch laptop, and my personal laptop is 13-inch, but my work is 15-inch, so I need something that can fit both. And this bag does exactly that. It is SAFFIANO leather, and I went with classic black color because I want to make sure that it's a big bag, so I'm going to make sure that it kind of matches everything, you know. Here is the side of the bag. Here we are on the back. That's the back. And then I always forget to show the bottom for some reason, so I'm going to make sure that I do it this time. There is obviously no feet at the bottom, and the straps on this bag is adjustable. So you can see over here there's few holes you have, and you can adjust it on like the front as well as in the back. And I like mine very, very comfortable and very like long straps, so I have it in the longest possible setting. But if you check online, it does say that it is 11 inches in length, which is awesome. I really, really appreciate that because I think anything over 10 is just really comfortable on the shoulder. And I will insert some mod shots later so you guys can see exactly how it looks like and how much space I have. But really quickly, like that's what it looks like. It's hanging, and there is, you can see there's a lot of space. You can easily like slip on, slip off, etc. So it's all in all a really great bag, and it is a little bit on the heavier side, but I think it's really not too bad. I mean, it's all leather, plus it's SAFFIANO leather, so it's given that it's going to be heavy. Plus, I go to the office like once a week sometimes, and sometimes I don't even go at all. So it's really not too bad. And the plus point is that it does have a zipper. So I love a good tote with a zipper. I think I don't always zip up my totes, but I think I really appreciate the fact that I do have zipper in my bag or on my tote, because I remember like one of the times right after work we went out for drinks and I had to leave my bag on the floor because it was like jam-packed. The bar was jam-packed, and that's when I think zipper was really helpful because I just zipped it. I put everything inside the bag, like my phone, my wallet, everything, and then I zipped it up, so it was really secure and everything was good. And I think, yeah, I really, really, really like that. So yeah, that's kind of in a nutshell my review of this bag. This bag currently is on sale. I think it's at $150 right now. Don't quote me on it, but like I said, I will leave a direct link of this bag in my description box down below, so check it out if you are wanting to purchase this. I think it does come in like a couple of other colors if you don't really like black, if you want to go with something else, because black bag comes with dark like black interior, which kind of makes it hard sometimes to see things, but it's really not too bad because it opens up so wide so you can just see everything inside. So always a plus. But otherwise, it really does it for today's video. This was really like an impromptu, like not really a scheduled video, and that's why I'm kind of like wearing the same thing, because like I was doing something and I was like, oh my god, let me like do a quick review on this bag because I love it so much. I have it kind of sitting on my table all the time in case I wanna, you know, kind of quickly put things in and get out of the door. Sometimes I do have appointments here and there, and I want to make sure that I take my laptop or my work laptop with me, so this bag comes really, really handy for that. And yeah, that really does it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and more than that, I hope you guys found it helpful. In case you guys are looking for a good tote or a Michael Kors bag to add to your collection. And I'll see you guys now in my next video very soon. Stay tuned for some mod shots so that you guys can see how this bag looks on me. Otherwise, like I said, see you next time very, very soon. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.